When Kylie Jenner became the world's youngest billionaire listed on Forbes at just 21 years old, the world was shell-shocked. And what was the platform she used to get her products to the masses? Yep, it was Instagram. Instagram has over 58 times the engagement per typical Facebook post, so it's quite obvious to see why businesses are wanting to use it. It works for any industry imaginable: local business, e-com, business building, and a whole lot more. Now, we have found what we believe to be the ultimate business model using Instagram. So what we've done is put a free presentation together, and we'll just switch over to the computer now and take you through it. Businesses are screaming to get heard on Instagram, and will gladly pay you if you can help them do it. See the amount of likes, comments and engagement a single post can get? Look at that, over 112,000 likes. But the question is, how do you get your post ranking the easy way? Look, Instagram has 58 times more engagement per follower than Facebook. And the fastest way to rank your post on Instagram is simply by using the correct hashtags. See those little words under each post? But here's the big problem. Researching the hottest relevant hashtags that actually work is really difficult. It's time consuming and a total pain in the backside. And finding the right ones is like searching for a needle in a haystack. But we knew Instagram was too good to ignore and had to find a better way. So we created something out of this world that would revolutionize the way we did Instagram marketing. Introducing ITaggz, a new tool that works 24/7 and hands you the keys to the kingdom. And we are going to hand you the easiest business model on a silver platter. So rather than tell you, let's hop on the computer and show you. Okay, so we're just logged into the software, and for example, we're going to put in one of the biggest names in our industry, Grant Cardone. So we hit search, and we click here, and this will bring up all the posts made by Grant Cardone. Now what's amazing is within seconds, we can reorder by the amount of comments to see the most engagement. We can see all the tags. We can press play for a preview. And we can see the exact posts, and again we can scroll down here and we can see everything that is ranking high. Now with just a few clicks of the mouse, we can click on these posts and we can either download them as a spreadsheet, or we can click share via email. And what we can do is we can send them as an Excel spreadsheet, or we can just email them to ourselves. So we can just enter our email here, or if you had a virtual assistant or someone to help you with it, you can enter their name there, which makes this perfect for agency owners. So if you don't want to do the work yourself and get someone else to manage it for you, there is that option. Now, as well as that, we can search via an actual tag. So let's say put in a common one, make money online, and we hit search. Again, the same thing. We can sort by comments, so we can see the most engaged comments. We can see all the hashtags there. We can see the type of ad they're using, and we can see the text, and again we can export everything. Now what is interesting is if you want to track and see which are the hottest posts, we can favorite them. So we just click here and this will favorite the post, and we can create a new category if we wish. For example, make money, save post, and that will save that to our favorites. Now we can also use existing posts, and we can save posts there. All we need to do is now go to favorites, and these are some of the ones we've saved before, and this is tracking these posts. So you can use this for anything you want, and there's the one we just saved there. So again, search, tags, this can work for anything. Affiliate marketing, you know, big markets like, let's put in eye makeup. Search, total comments. Again, we can see all the hashtags. We can see the ones that get the most engagement. We can favorite them, we can follow them. So again, this is perfect for affiliate marketing. It's perfect for managing Instagram marketing for clients, and also your own Instagram marketing. So we're just going to hop back onto the computer now. Now that's pretty cool, right? You can discover the top ranking hashtags for any industry within seconds. Do you think businesses would pay you for this information? Damn right. Do you think you could sell hot affiliate products under Instagram posts? Absolutely. But good isn't good enough. You know how to make it even better? Automation. And that's why we'd like to introduce the Automation Suite, the hottest hashtags emailed to you daily. Now this is the ultimate lazy method. So what we're going to do is hop over and show you our new Automation Suite. Track and follow a popular hashtag or a business personality. This is how easy it is to do. So all you need to do is go to Add Scheduler, and then you're going to say, oh, I'd like to follow a tag scheduler. We want to follow the top media, and we'll follow the hashtag. Let's go for entrepreneur. We can then put in if a post has a certain amount of likes. We can put in if it has a minimal amount of comments, or you can leave it blank, and then you just put in the email that you want it to be sent to. So we fill in the details like so, hit save, and automatically we will now be emailed those tags to our inbox every day. So let's just hop over to our inbox and show you our inbox now, and as you can see, the software is emailing us every single day with the ones we're tracking. So for example, solopreneur, we're going to click here and we scroll down, and what's really interesting is you can just copy and paste these into your Instagram post, or you can forward them to your client. So it's very, very, very easy. Again, you can follow tags, or you can follow a business personality. This means that you get to see the post, the text that they're using, the hashtags, again, every day, and you see a preview of the ads as well. So this is a massive time saver, and again, as an agency, you literally just email these over to a business daily, or have an assistant do it for you. Now what we've shown you is just the tip of the iceberg. We're also going to give you the full done for you training, step-by-step roadmap showing you how to instantly close client deals, A to Z checklists, and so much more, and the 3 biggest business models you can use this for on Instagram. But that will be revealed in video number 2, coming in just a few days. Today was just a quick teaser video, but first I need you to do something for me, okay? If you're super excited at the thought of charging clients an easy $47 to $497 per month management fee to deliver clients the hottest hashtags, using ITaggz for affiliate marketing, and cashing in on one of the hottest opportunities today, or simply just ramping up your own Instagram marketing, while the ITaggz software and automation suite does all the heavy lifting for you, just leave us a comment below about how super excited you are. We want to hear from you, and if we get enough comments, we'll include some special launch only bonuses. So comment below now while you wait for video number 2. ITaggz and our Automation Suite will truly change the way Instagram marketing is done. So please comment below now, and video number 2 will be coming soon.
ITaggz has totally transformed Instagram for me. I am a busy working from home mummy of 4, and I work with food, so I have to take my photos, I have to write my post, and before ITaggz I had to go in and research the best hashtags to use. I had to spend ages putting them all in. It was the most time consuming thing, and because of that I kind of avoided Instagram half the time. But when ITaggz came along, it was amazing. I get the tags all emailed to me every day. I simply go into my email account, I cut and paste, pop them into my post, put it up. It is so fantastic. And not only that, but all the things that would have taken 24 hours, like within an hour, I have had more views than I would have had within 24 hours. I've got far more followers. It has just grown my account. The whole thing has been brilliant, and because of this I'm now using Instagram maybe 2, 3, 4 times a day. I've got in a really good role of emailing myself all the relevant pieces and putting them all together, winging them up there, and in no time at all I've got loads of likes, loads of comments. It is really brilliant.
Hi and welcome to Deep Papa's Living Flip Flop Life. In today's episode I want to take you through my Instagram account and show you live how I'm growing my Instagram account almost on autopilot with a certain tool that's helping me actually find more followers without me following anybody. Okay, I followed one person, and in over 24 hours I've been able to achieve over 75 followers overnight and live. So stick around. Now basically, before I get started, so you understand what I've done inside my phone, because I'm going to take you inside my phone dashboard, make sure first of all you click and subscribe below and hit that bell notification button so you can get more cool review videos just like this. But this is also to share with you some real life proof that this stuff works. Now I'm inside my ITaggz software members area. Okay, this is a software where it basically goes out and finds you businesses or tags that will actually get you results. Now, I didn't think it was that powerful. I didn't think tags on Instagram was that powerful until I fell on this little thing here, this software. It doesn't go against anything with Instagram APIs, nothing to get you in trouble. This is sent to you either through through your email, whatever information you want, or through XLS sheet that you can use. Now, let's say, for example, I'm looking for something inside my niche, which is entrepreneur. Okay, you can see that I was just checking out any niche. Now, what this does, it goes out and finds posts of with the tags from really powerful posts. We're looking for maybe posts that are over 1,000 likes, maybe with 50 comments. And then if I apply this is going to bring me all these crazy posts that I can use for my business. Okay, so this is a good one that I could be using, etc. All right, so what I do is I choose the ones that I want. Okay, these are over 1,000 likes, whatever it is that I like. All right, scroll down. Okay, let's say this one, for example. And then what I do is either I export this or I email it. Now, let me show you how it looks like from email in my next video. But right now, I'm just going to send it over to my email. Okay. I'm going to send. Now, the information that I'm going to show you in my phone right now is done a little bit earlier. This was done so I can share with you what the process is. But before I go to my phone, I've sent an email. It's ready for me to go. All you can do here is also schedule things where you can find more stuff. Okay, so you can actually schedule this for a business or for tags, because you can find from businesses, like if we go back, let me go back, okay, and if I'm looking for businesses, I can put like Ty Lopez, all right, and then I'll search, and then I can see that Ty Lopez has 3 million followers, and then I'll check it, and this is in my you see, it gives you all the information, and then it gives you what he uses, etc. So if I'm looking for, again, tags which are over 1,000 and maybe over 40 comments, apply. I'm going to find the best posts that I can use, and then send these over to my post. Now, why am I doing this? What's the point of tags, right? Well, first of all, we know that these tags have been liked by these people. That's all these people. So those tags are going to be, if you post an image with those tags, then those people are going to see it as well, because it's in their niche kind of thing. Okay, it's really, really easy to understand. The process is easy, nothing very complicated. Everybody can actually do this. So you can choose a tag scheduler or a business scheduler, and every new top media that you get from the hashtag that you're going to be finding, you can be filtering things, whatever. Every time there's new content, it will push it over to your email. Now we're going to go into my phone so you can see how this works. So I just, sent myself an email from ITaggz. You can see the report is right there. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is get my report. Right. All right. So I'm going to copy these. And these were done from like 1,334 likes and comments, all right, because of the software. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to head over to my Instagram. There's one image that I want to add and then post these, okay? Now if I want to go back, I can get some more. All right. And put them there. Okay, now check this out. As soon as I share, all right, and this is a brand new Instagram account that I did yesterday. I just need to get like about 100, and check it out. If I go to it's posted, all right, in a minute now you're gonna start seeing people liking this. Okay, so like for example, I got 9 likes here, 33 likes here, all right, again using these. 28 likes, brand new Instagram account. Let me show you my actual details. Check this out. I'm following one person, and I've already got 72 followers in overnight, basically in 24 hours. So in 48 hours, I'm gonna get over 100 followers. And check this out. I just added these images. That's it. Okay. These are like mine, brand new. And this ITaggz software is working like crazy. So like I said, I sent myself an email, got my details from here, from ITaggz, gives me my report, gives me the posts that I chose, and then I just add them. And these are the winning posts that you get to see. 75 followers now from the time I have posted. Eight likes. There it is, 75 followers. You see it live. Okay, every time I'm refreshing this is building up, and this image already got 11 likes. Okay, you just saw it yourself. From 9 it just went to 11. Every time I update, there's something new. I keep on getting like notifications every time, and this is just building on its own because of the certain tags that I'm getting from ITaggz. Okay, I go out and I find the winning tags that you saw in my review video. There we go. This is live right now. The Instagram. Somebody else liked my photo. Okay, so once again, if I go here, 12 likes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and trust me when I say ITaggz is needed to build your Instagram account on complete autopilot. Well, kind of. You're gonna have to add the images. You need to find the resources, where to get the tags for using the software, and then you'll see results like these. Like I said, 75 followers in 24 hours. I'm looking forward to the 48-hour update. Peace out.
Hi guys, Ivan here. I'm just leaving a quick testimonial for these guys at ITaggz, and I just want to let you know this product is insane and awesome. If you guys have ever done any research for Instagram, for hashtags, profiles, whatever, you'll realize it's a very time-consuming process, and if you're a business owner, if you have things to do, you don't really have a lot of time to dedicate to this process, which is why ITaggz is so awesome. Because not only can you look up a specific tag or a specific profile, you can also set these filters up to either filter by likes or filter by comments, which shows you which posts are doing very well, and it shows you the Instagram tags right there. So you can copy and paste them if you like. You can send them to a spreadsheet. You can send them to yourself by email, and on top of that, you can even automate this whole process so you don't have to keep coming back to the system. You can actually set it up to follow a specific hashtag, follow a specific profile, and send you the hashtags that are trending that day every single day via email. Anywho guys, that's pretty much it. This product is amazing. It's awesome. I definitely recommend it. And yeah, enjoy.